How you feeling today? I'm just riding my wave too, wherever it takes me, teas in my taste. Can you picture a place where there's peace and grace? I leave the blueprints on my steps you can trace.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Hvacroddy up here on the top of a roof. Just want to say thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to keep up with weekly content. Back to you, Roddy. What's up, everybody? So we got no cool. The drain line got stopped up. That's what they tell me. Hand full of water. So right now I'm outside. I'm gonna go check the refrigeration pressures and make sure it's not low and it's just not the icing up. Then we're gonna check that drain line. Alright, so we got the system on. Refrigeration pressures are good. I only got my low side hooked up. I ain't connected the high side. So then that means might be something with this drain. So I got my vacuum, hook my vacuum up. I'm gonna drain that bad boy out. Alright, so I got my vacuum hooked up. So whatever is in here, messing the drain line up. That's a pretty long drain line. Should get it out. Hopefully that's the right drain line. Even now, I'm still gonna drain out that one just in case. But let's turn this bad boy on and see if we can find something. Alright, so I'm up at the drain. I got the vacuum hooked up. I just wanted to come here and see if I can feel it. You can feel it. You can feel the vacuum pumping, sucking out the drain. So the drain is clear, but I'm gonna go turn the vacuum off, run some water down it, see how that goes. So this is what was inside that drain line. Yuck, what the crap. You can just see how stuff like that can get clogged. Ugh. It says black. Blacker than me. Just put that out. Oh, goodness. I'm gonna go see, is it draining? Alright, so I got two little tops at the end of each drain line because I really don't know which one is which. So I just put two drain lines at the end of both of them. I'm gonna pour this much water down there and let's see if it makes it all the way down. Goodness, it's hot. It's crap up here. I'll pour the water in there. All right. Alright, so now we're gonna go back down there. Should be tons of water. Alright, so after we pour some water in there, you can see all this goo. Oh my goodness. That's a lot of goo. Seems like it's draining pretty good now. But ew, you see all this gray stuff? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go pour some more water down there. Alright, so here's the drain. See it's draining. All that water coming out. Ugh. So we all done, boys. Here's the other drain. Just ain't the back up. There's water in it. Yep. Clogged drain line. It happens a lot here in Georgia. The humidity's so high. But we all good at this house. Head on out.